Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at JUTC bus. We are looking at a JUTC bus that caught on fire. There you can see them still putting out the fire with the fire extinguisher. Now I'm not sure if this is one of the new buses or if it's an older bus, but I'm not even sure if this is the one of the electric buses because look at the damage to the bus. So this is Constant Spring Road, and looks like they were towing it and it caught on fire again because it's connected to the wrecker and they're using a fire extinguisher on it, or maybe they were getting ready to tow it. I'm not sure what happened, but that's not a good sign to see a bus on fire. There you see the fire extinguisher. This looks like it doesn't, I'm not sure if this is, I don't think this is one of the electric buses because those buses, the ones that I've seen, are longer. I don't know if this is one of the gas buses or one of the diesel buses. I mean, because it is totally destroyed. Alright, guys, just giving you an update on the bus. Let us know what you think about what happened to the bus. You can leave your comments in the section below. Alright, guys, enjoy the rest of the video. Have a good day.